Hello dear students, I hope you all are fine. Today in English 2nd, we are going to continue with the exercises of lesson number 10. I hope you all have completed all question answers and word meanings of lesson number 10 in your notebook. Okay, so today we will start from quick answers, that is on page number 127. So open page number 127. Yes students, so we have already studied the chapter The Railway Children, and according to the story we are going to fill these whether the statement is true or false. Okay, so the first part of the story takes place in a red brick fronted villa. That is true. Second one is, the two gentlemen met father in the dining room one morning. The second one is, at first life at the red brick fronted villa was comfortable and cheerful. That is true. It was very good. The third one is, the two gentlemen met father in the dining room one morning. No, it is false. Where they met, actually they met in the library. Okay, the fourth one is, after the visit of the two gentlemen, the atmosphere at the red brick fronted brick villa was even more cheerful. No, false. Next one, the railway platform was cold, dark and gloomy. That is true. We studied in the story almost. And next one is, the setting of the story shifts from a red villa to a small house. Yes, they shifted from that red villa to the small house. Now turn the page. On next page, students, where a word wall is written, what you have to do, these are antonyms. Okay, from the story find opposites of the words given below. So only from the story. And I just want to remind you all, in exams also you are not supposed to write from Google, from anywhere else. It is only from the story it is mentioned here. Okay, many of you previously also you all have done the same thing, and it is quite understood that we can understand that from where you have written, because a child of 4th standard or 3rd standard cannot understand that what is the meaning of such means some difficult words. So please don't try to be over smart. Always do what your teachers are saying to you. So first one is silently. So what will be the opposite from the story of silently? That is talking. Next one is well. So the opposite is pale. Third one is cheerful. Opposite is tired from the story. Fourth one is gradually. So the opposite is from the story scampering. Okay. Then the fifth one is carelessly. That is mouse quietly. I am just zooming it out so that you can do this one. Mouse quietly. And the last one is straightened yani ke stood straight. So the answer is, means the opposite is sit. Now we will do next page, that is word ladders. What we have to do, these are the, it is a kind of puzzle which you must connect a pair of words and with other words, so by changing one letter at the time. For example, dog connects to cat like this: dog dot caught cat. Okay, so see the first one, the children loved to read, so use the clues given below to change read to book. Likewise, read to book. Okay, so first we will do this side. A tiny round object put on a string and worn as jewelry. That is bead. B-E-A-D. This one. B-E-A-D. Okay. Next one is to defeat others in a race or a game. That is beat. Beat. B-E-A-T. Beat. Okay. Next one is a vehicle you row. That is boat. B-O-A-T, boat. Then knee length footwear. Boot. B-O-O-T, boot. Okay. Something we read. That is book. Alright. Now come to the next part. The children have to change houses. Can you change one part of a house to another? Use the clues to change wall to roof. Okay, so not ill, that is not ill, well, WELL. Okay, then a school rings at one at intervals, that is bell, BELL. Then holds up trousers, belt, BELT, belt. A door fastener, bolt, BOLT, bolt. An enclosed space at the back of a car for carrying luggage or other goods, that is boot, BOOT. Okay, here it is, BOOT. Next one is the part of a plant that holds it in the ground, root, ROOT, root. And the upper covering of a building, that is roof, ROOT, roof. Okay, here it is written, no, upside that we have to change from wall to roof. So students, please complete this one in your book only. Now come to grammar time, conjunctions. Conjunctions of time we have to fill. Turn the page first. What we have to do, students, here we have to join the pairs of sentences by using the conjunctions given in brackets. The first one has been done for you. So for example, she returned from the market, she was tired, and it is written here when. So she was tired when she returned from the market. Obviously when she was, when she came from the market, that time she was tired. So likewise we have to change this one. I am showing you the next page how you have to change. Wait, this is how you have to change. For example, second one is Alistair hid. He saw his friends. So Alistair hid as soon as he saw his friends. See, we waited at the station. Our grandfather arrived and until. Okay. So we waited at the train station. Okay, or at the station, whatever you want to write, until our grandfather arrived. Next, Shweta ate dinner. She watched a film. So Shweta ate dinner after she watched a film. Okay. Fourth, E. You are waiting. Have a cup of tea. So while is written here. Have a cup of tea while you are waiting. Next one is F. We begin our work. The bell rings. When? We begin our work when the bell rings. Next one is I go out in the rain. I take an umbrella with me. So I take an umbrella with me whenever I go out in the rain. This you have to complete in your fair notebook because there is no space basically to write these sentences. So please complete it in your fair notebook. Now come to the previous page again. Complete these sentences with ideas of your own. So how you have to complete this one? See, as soon as I go home, I will make dinner. Next, while you finish your work, I will go out for a jog. While you finish your work. See, when you reach school, tell your friends about the party. Students, this is tell, okay? Tell your friends about the party. Next, until you tidy the room. So what we have to write? You won't be going out to play until you tidy the room. Next, after my examinations you write here. Then you write down get over. I want to go watch a movie. Okay. Next one is dash before the train arrived. So I reached the train station before the train arrived. So please complete this one also in your book. Enough space is there, you can write there itself. Now turn the page. We have to use some punctuation marks in the next exercise. We have to use a full stop, question mark or an exclamation mark. Okay. So in first sentence, see, it is 8 o'clock. Is it 8 o'clock? So here is a question. So what we have to put? Question mark. Next, it is 8 o'clock, full stop. Look at the time, I am late, exclamation sign. I am going to market this afternoon, full stop. How expensive things are, exclamation sign. What will you buy, question mark. Then, has Pallavi gone to the library, question mark. Pallavi has gone to the library to borrow a book, full stop. Then, what a good story this is, exclamation sign. How hot it is, exclamation sign. It is a hot day, full stop. Then, how hot is it, question mark. Okay, there's a difference between these two sentences, student, this one and this one. So please do not get confused over here. How hot it is, exclamation sign, and how hot is it, question mark. Okay, so please complete your work till here, and we have completed the syllabus also. Okay, if you have any problem, any query, you can ask in your live classes as well as in the comment section and complete your work. Till then, keep studying. Take care.